Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So where you can, guys, find the fuses that control the SCR system, also known as Selective Catalytic Reduction. We will demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram here. Go ahead and open the hood, guys. Under the hood, okay, here on the driver's side, next to your car battery, you have that cover. It has two notches, one here, one there. Press them, it opens, and on the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the SCR now, let's zoom in and explain which fuses you need to check. If you have that system, specifically we don't, so we don't have all the fuses, but if you have it, you will need to check fuse number 19 right here. Okay, that's one of them. Then you need to check fuse number 59. So if you come in this row of fuses, it will be that third fuse. Okay, our engine just doesn't have that option, so we don't have these fuses, but that's where you will find them. And then you need to check fuse number 69. 69, okay, that's 65, 6, 7, 8, 9. 69 will be that fuse, guys, okay, right here, that you will need to check. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.